Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri, and in this video, we'll be talking about 7 websites that will pay you for freelancing. So, in my last video, I talked about tutoring sites where you get paid for answering simple questions, and the reviews and the response that I got from those videos were amazing. And a lot of viewers asked me to publish videos on freelancing as well. So here I am with 7 websites that will pay you around $100 a day just for freelancing. Now, what freelancing actually is, in this you will be assigned different projects by companies or employees, and you'll be given deadline to complete those projects, and if you successfully deliver them those projects, you will be awarded immense amount for that. And trust me, these 7 websites are trusted and are international. Any user anywhere around the world can use it. So before we get started, subscribe to my channel, Tech Bunch. We publish videos every day on a consistent basis about how to make money and also on different tech tools that you can use to simplify your life. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your browser and type Upwork. Once you're there, click on freelance jobs. Now, the best thing about this website is the paycheck is really huge, and almost all the multinational companies, or be it any tech giant, almost all of them hire freelancers from Upwork to get their jobs done. And the best part about Upwork is they have categories or domains, you can say, in almost all the divisions, be it science, be it engineering, be it creative writing, translation, legal, and transcriptionist, and almost all the possible departments that exist. They have freelancing jobs to offer in almost all the segments. So it's pretty much easy here. And look at the prices that websites have to offer just to get a simple project done. It's $1,000 to create an informative portal. So once you're here, the job is simple. Click on sign up. And once you're on this portal, click on sign up with Google, or you can use your own email to get signed up. And once you're signed up, you can discover different, like, immense opportunities for yourself and work on Upwork pretty easy because the timing that they offer is pretty much flexible. You can choose to work in your own time, and the paycheck is really huge. And this is one of the most trusted freelancing website internationally, not only in India but almost everywhere in the world. This is highest usable. This comes at a very top rate because of the divisions that it has to offer. Almost it works in all department. So let's look at how it works. So there are options. This is for employees, and you want to work as freelancers. So click on if you're working, and this is the process that they have to offer. Simply click on projects, bid on it, give a beautiful niche for your profile, and once the employer is satisfied, they will assign you the job that you are capable of doing. And once you deliver the job, it's pretty much easy for you to build your own name as a freelancer on Upwork. And once it's done, you'll get immense offers around the world, and the paycheck is really huge. Again, I have to say this, it almost starts with $250. This average paycheck is $250. That is huge when it comes to INR, and also it is used pretty much international, so you don't have to worry about the limitations on job. It has different categories, and the domain is huge, almost all categories. So moving up, we have search for Fiverr and click on their official website. Now this is pretty much same as Upwork, but the paycheck is a bit low, and often when compared to Upwork, it has less job opportunity. Look at the companies that have worked on Fiverr: Facebook, Google, MIT, Netflix, and be it anyone. Almost all of them hires freelancers from Fiverr as well. And they also have to offer domains in almost all the different sections, be it music, audio, engineering, programming, business, or be it any other domain. So the paycheck is also huge on this as well, but compared to Upwork, it has less job opportunities. Like it's a different process. It's a pretty tough process on Fiverr to get your job done or get qualified as a freelancer or make your name. Only you can make a name here if you are really talented and you have got something extra in the particular field. So it's a bit competitive here, but once you are selected as a freelancer on Fiverr, it's really huge and you can make a really lot of money working as a freelancer. And this option become a seller is for employees who they want when they want to post projects on Fiverr. That's how it is done. And in order to get started as a freelancer, simply click on join, provide your details, and once you are done, they'll ask for your basic qualifications and your area of expertise. And you have to give yourself a good niche, like how your job is done, what is your working style. And once you are done with that, you are set as a freelancer on Fiverr and you'll start getting offers. Now, this pro option, you don't need to worry about it. It's pretty much same if you sign up as a in a free account or a pro. So it doesn't matter. It's just a difference of 2-3 jobs. So no need to worry about that. You can get started as a freelancer almost free, and you can almost make $80 to $90 per day on Fiverr as well. The next one is freelancer, freelancer.in. And compared to Fiverr and Upwork, the price is a bit low on freelancer, but it has lots of domain to offer. Look at the companies that visits on freelancer to get to hire freelancer and get their job done. So almost all the big MNCs that are working here, they all hire freelancers from freelancers.in. The competition is really huge. So if you're lucky enough, you'll get a job as a freelancer, and once you get, the price is really amazing and the job is also flexible. So click on earn money freelancing, and once you are done there, continue with your website. If you are signed up already, I'm using Facebook to log in. I'm working as a freelancer here as well. So click on browse, search for projects. I've signed up as a programmer here, so or any technical field. So I'll be getting projects based on those fields, and look at the price that they have to offer. It's almost huge, like even goes up 250 USD. And what for? Proofreading. That's the basic part. But the problem here is competition. It's really huge. And look at the dollar. Sell leads. If you are good at marketing, you can earn even 10,000 USD for completing this job. Freelancers get a lot of bids here. That's why the competition. But once you're lucky enough to get a deal, really you can earn a lot of money. So next up, this is also pretty amazing website for freelancing. Just click on their official website, and here you'll get option to work as a freelancer or an employee. If you're an employee, click on post a job. It's free to post any job and hire freelancers. You don't need any money to get started. So we are talking about work as a freelancer. So you have to scroll down a bit, and once you're here, you'll see find a job option. Click on that, and once you have signed up, you can really post your quote on these jobs and look at the amount they have to offer. So again, I'm saying these freelancer sites, once you get a deal, you can almost make $500 in one deal, and that's amazing compared to any other tutoring sites or any other survey that you want to proceed online. So I would suggest, why not start with freelancing? And it's not just that you have to know technical skills for freelancing. You can even start, even you are a good designer or you have marketing skills, writing skills, be it anything. There's a freelancing website for all the domain, and the paycheck is really huge when it comes to the deals. As of now, you can see on Guru, it's really huge, like 250, 250 picture to word. This is the most basic. Almost everybody can convert pictures to word file. There's software available for this, and all you have to do is send a code to the employer. If they like your profile, your resume, then you will definitely get selected as a freelancer on Guru. So it's pretty easy to get selected, huh? Simply hired. Now this website, it doesn't work like other website used to. There you have to just create an account and post your bids on the projects that you like interesting or you find doable. Here you have to search for the jobs or basic skill set that you have and the cities according to your convenience, that is in which city you are residing or your country. Search for any job, like I'm searching for technical support and I want this to be in Kolkata. Click on that, search for jobs. And once you search, you'll get lots of options. And all you have to do is click on apply now, and your resume or your request will be sent to the company. So, again, I'm saying Simply Hired is a bit different freelancing job or website, you can say, where you have to upload your resume and apply directly to the company and get the works done remotely. Now, that's the advantage of using Simply Hired. You can work remotely for the company and you can still receive your paycheck. So this is the basic, like any other job site. This is mostly search engine. I wouldn't call it a freelancing actually, but it comes under that section as well. So here, look for your relevant job, but the salary is really huge here as well, based on what your skills are. Highly the qualified, high the salary. So that's how it works on. And you have different categories here. You can even work as a full-time, contract, fresher, or temporary basis as well. Toptal is one of the pretty famous international freelancing company. All you have to do is click on apply as a freelancer, and it's not like other basic freelancing sites. Look at the companies that hire freelancers from Airbnb, Bait, Fusion Lab, NetApp. These are pretty renowned companies or MNCs, or you can call tech giants. Now, the process here is a bit different. You have to sign up with your basic details, your educational qualifications, your perfect build resume, and they'll take around a week or two in order to get your profile reviewed. And once they like your profile, they'll hire you as a freelancer and you'll work permanently on Toptal as a freelancer, and you will be directly contacted by the companies if they really like your profile or niche or the jobs that you have offered. And the paycheck is really huge on this as well, but it is a bit professional, or I would say highly qualified. Users can only get selected, and the qualified professional, I would say, apply on Toptal, because the projects that you would get is a bit complex. It's not based on your starter level, it is intermediate or advanced, because some of the big companies like Airbnb and Fusion Lab, NetApp, these companies hire freelancers from here. Person with higher degree like masters or PhD should apply as a freelancer on Toptal, because the competition is really high, and if you are a fresher, the chances are less for you to get selected on Toptal, and the paycheck is really huge because you work on a major project offered by these companies. It's not like any other writing job, it's totally professional. And again, if you are a highly qualified instructor or in your profession, be it anything, apply on Toptal and get started as a freelancer. People per hour. Now, people per hour, it's work on the basic freelancing policies. You have to apply as a freelancer, and once you're selected, they'll hire you on their website to work as a freelancer. And the opportunities here are immense. It works in all divisions, it has all the domains. And look at the amount earned by freelancers so far, it's really huge. And the companies that hire freelancers are BBC, Business Insider, Forbes, all the other renowned companies, and the categories are immense on this as well. So let's click on how it works. So all you have to do is sign up. You can sign up as a buyer or a freelancer. So we are interested in freelancer. Click on freelancer. All you have to do is apply and become a certified freelancer. Click on become a freelancer and you have to submit your basic details and your qualifications in order to get hired as a freelancer. So click on I want to work as a freelancer. Now sign up with email or Facebook. That's right. So I'm already using this account as a freelancer on People Per Hour. So that's the basic step you can do. All you have to do is enter your details and name and get started. Click on I want to work as a freelancer and sign up. And once you're in, you'll be asked your professional details, qualifications, and they'll review your details for like a week or so, and once they are satisfied with your qualifications and your resume, you'll be hired instantly. And trust me, once you are hired as a certified freelancer on People Per Hour, it's really huge, and it's the best way of making a passive income online, because People Per Hour doesn't have that much competition and the project and the domain is really huge here. I would say please try all these 7 freelancing websites that I discussed here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, do share and subscribe,